Hello everyone. So here I am with the new topic, that is the changing the subject of the formula, and it's all about manipulating any formula. Okay, so let's start. Now let's see, this is a straight line equation, okay, and which is given in the form of y is equal to 3x plus 1. Now if I want my formula in the terms of x is equal to something, okay, so first understand this is the subject of the formula, this is your subject. Okay, now basically what we want to change our subject from y to x. Okay, so how we can do that? So let's start with this question. So what question is y is equal to 3x plus 1. Okay, now if you want your subject as x, you have to do some manipulation and you have to isolate this term. So how I can isolate 3x first? So I can write y minus 1 is equal to 3x, which is same as 3x is equal to y minus x. Okay, now what you can do, you can divide both sides by 3. If you will divide both sides by 3, you will get x is equal to y minus 1 over 3. Now you can see that your subject of the formula is changed. Now it is x is equal to y minus 3. Okay, the meaning of the formula doesn't change, but only we are trying to change the subject. Okay, now let's start with another question. Here we want our subject x2. Okay, now how we can do that? So to do that, first we have to multiply this by this. So basically we are trying to do the cross multiplication. So let's do the cross multiplication. So m times x2 minus x1. Remember that we want our subject as x2. Now y2 minus y1. Let's simplify this term. If you simplify, you will get m x2 m x1. So what we want from here, we want to isolate this term. Okay, that is m x2. Okay, how we can do that? Let's do that. M x2 is equal to y2 minus y1, and I'm bringing this one this side. Okay, so it will become plus mx1. Okay, now just we have to multiply both sides by m so that we will get rid of m from here. Okay, so you will get x2 is equal to y2 minus y1 plus m x1 over m. Now you can see that your formula, earlier it was in the terms of m. So earlier the subject was m, now the subject is changed to x2. So this is called the manipulation. So let's start with another formula, another question, which is b is equal to 1 over b plus 1 over a is equal to 1 over c. Now right now the subject is this one. Okay, 1 over c. Okay, now what we want to make our subject as c in the terms of a and b. So basically what we want c is equal to something here. Okay, so let's do that. So what we will do here, we will try to add them together. Okay, so if you add them, you will get ab and a plus b. You can check it. Okay, it's a simple fraction addition. Now what we have to do, you have to flip this to this side and this to this side. If you do that, you will get c is equal to ab over a plus b, and that is your final answer, because now my subject is c and rest of them is in another side. Okay, so this is the way we can do the manipulation in mathematics. Let's start with the last question. Okay, so now this one question is a little bit difficult, which means difficulty in the term of simplification. So now the subject is q and we want our subject as p. So it is a cube root here. So first I want to get rid of this cube root. So what I will do, I will take cube both sides. Okay, so if this is the question, 3p minus 2 2p plus 1 is equal to q. Now let's take q both side. If you take q both side, here you will get rid of the, sorry, this is 3p. Okay, you will get rid of this cube root, so you will get finally here 3p minus 2 and 2p plus 1, okay, which is equal to q cube. Okay, now here I will try to do the cross multiplication. So if you do the cross multiplication, you will get 3p minus 2 is equal to 2p cube plus q cube. Okay, now I will try to bring all the term with p one side. Okay, so what I will do, I will bring this one this side and I will bring this one another side. Okay, so now what we are trying to do is we are trying to club all the terms with p together. Okay, if you do that, you will get 3p minus 2p cube is equal to 2 plus q cube. This was minus 2, so if it will go to another side, it will become plus 2. So now you can take p common and you will get inside the bracket 3 minus 2 q cube, and here it is 2 plus q cube. Now what we will do, we will try to do the cross multiplication, and your final answer would be p is equal to, because this term will go in denominator, you will get 2q cube over 3 minus 2q. So this is the final answer. Now earlier in the question it was the q was your subject. Now we have changed our subject from q to p. So this is all about the manipulation. So you will not get a direct question based on that, but in some of the question you will get this indirectly. So hope you understand this topic, the changing the subject of the formula. And if you have any question, you can write in the comment box. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do, and hit the like button if you like this tutorial. So see you in the next session. Bye.